we found a bee nest here. We have to pass very careful. All right, Noah, come on, hold daddy. Do not make noise, all right? Okay. This is amazing, guys. Look at this. We made it. We passed bees, nests of bees, you know, and so much crazy trees. We have to cut around the road, and we found a couple of trees here.
Eu aqui na fazenda durante 6 anos. Esses 6 anos eu tomei banho aqui. Eu e meus colegas, nós todo mundo da fazenda, chegava da roça e vinha tomar banho aqui, porque as casas não tinham chuveiro. Mas isso era em 88.
We are about to review, to show you this with the drone shots, you know, and terrestrial cameras. So no further ado, let's get deep into this video, all right, guys? As you can see, this is not a really natural waterfall. The human made this. It was a natural waterfall, and they put concrete here to create this and hold water for their own purpose in the past time. All right, guys, I hope you like the whole shot. You know, I'm very glad to see you, everyone, and enjoy all this footage here, you know, with us. If you come here, guys, please don't throw garbage, you know, keep it clean, the natural environment. This is very clean here, actually, you know, really clean. It's sad if you come in and throw your things here. So keep it that in mind, guys, right?